We're going to use the graph to determine the range of the function y is equal to 1 over 4x plus 5, since the graph will show the spread of y, and that's what the range is all about. The sketch will give you a visual representation of the spread of y. To get the vertical asymptote VA, we set 4x plus 5 equal to 0 and 4x is equal to negative 5. When we divide both sides by 4, x is equal to negative 5 fourths. Negative 5 fourths, and the vertical asymptote will be the vertical line going through negative 5 fourths. Now for the horizontal asymptote, as x get closer and closer to infinity, whether positive or negative, y will be approaching 1 over 4x, and we know that when the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, respectively 0 and 1, the limit as 1 over 4x as x approaches infinity. If x becomes extremely big, 1 over something extremely big is equal to 0. Therefore, the horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0, or the x-axis. We draw a horizontal line on the x-axis. Now, let's look for the y-intercept. And at the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Therefore, the function will be y is equal to 1 over 4 times 0, which is 0 plus 5, 1/5. 0, 1/5 is the y-intercept. We're going to set y equal to 0 for the x-intercept. At the x-intercept, y is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 1 because 4x plus 5 times 0 is 0, which is a nonsense. So no x-intercept, none. Now, if you look at the right side, we have the first constraint is x equal to negative 5 fourths is an asymptote, and the second one is y equal to 0. Those are two constraints at the extreme, and it goes to 0, 1/5. Therefore, we can connect the dot and have the first branch of the curve from 0 to positive infinity. The y goes from 0 to positive infinity. And for the second branch of the curve, we're gonna do, well, f of negative 2. F of negative 2 is equal to 1 over 4 times negative 2 plus 5, which is 1 over negative 8 plus 5, negative 1/3. Now, and negative 1/3 is located around here. Now look at what we have. We have y equal to 0, asymptotic behavior, right? And then x equal to negative 5 fourths asymptotic behavior, and it goes through negative 1/3. We can connect the dots and have the second branch of the curve, which goes from negative infinity to 0, 0 not included. So the spread of y will be from negative infinity, right, to 0, and 0 is not included. Y equal to 0 is the asymptote. union, pick it up at 0. 0 is not included. Y equal to 0. To y equal to positive infinity all the way at the top. So the correct answer is C.